unit from Beauty Forever, y'all. So I've got a 7x5 Yaki unit, you guys. They've pretty much done all the work for you. Adjust my drawstring, y'all. Doing it this way is shiny. It is soft. And y'all, this is all done in natural sunlight, so keep that in mind. I rarely do artificial lighting with my videos. The luster is perfect on it, and also the cut. So of course I'm gonna hit the top with my wax stick in hot comb combination. But another big tip for y'all, as someone who has been a wig wearer for a good second, put into your hair. And once I use my hairspray, I just use my fingers to just loosen up the wave, you guys, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think the hair is absolutely beautiful. Y'all make sure you check the description box. I'll have everything listed down there for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all